Hey guys, on today's episode you're going to see how we transform this little yellow rocket into what we're now calling the Rubber Ducky. Pretty box standard before and didn't look all that awesome, but now I think we're getting somewhere. A little bit more work to do, but you'll see what we've done so far on this. And after that you're going to see what we did on Shawns 200 series chop. We did a nice little red arc battery system in that. I think you're going to enjoy what we do with that and all the little custom work we had to do to make all that work. So grab a beer, stay tuned. More on Rubber Ducky coming up soon and Shawns 200. Catch you later. We're getting rid of the nitro 4x4s, mate, and putting some tough tigers in and going off tap. Happy Friday. Man. They're a bit sag. What's that sag? 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 15.
And we're going to a what?
2, 8, 5, 7, 5, 16. It'll look good. It'll look, yeah. Until we figure out something else.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
You're fine.
Sure. I believe you. I believe you.
Righto guys, so now that you've seen how we built stage 1 of Rubber Ducky, stay tuned because Shawns 200 is coming up now with our custom lithium setup. So catch us next time.
Take Shawns canopy here and we'll squeeze past this Summit series in build and go and whack him back on the back of Shawns' car. Guys, let's see if we can get this on in one hit. Just so the tines are clear, yeah? Boom, just like that. Alright, so we can't fit a big fridge slide in the side of Shawns' truck, so we've had to go for a slightly smaller fridge slide, which does fit the fridge a hell of a lot better and takes up a hell of a lot less space, but run into some problems. Being that the fridge is so neat in its in the fridge slide, it means that the handle won't come all the way up. So we started modifying. So what we've had to do is we've had to shorten the little grip to release the locking mechanism. And we're actually also, if you follow me, about to trial moving the pivot point up a bit to lower this arm a fraction further away from the fridge itself. So we're just gonna pop those out, see if that works, and if that'll work for us, then we're gonna re-drill a couple of holes. It means you lose about, we've worked it out, it means you lose about 10 mil of drop height out of the fridge slide, 10 mil neither here nor there if we can make that fridge fit in that slide properly. One thing leads to another thing, leads to another thing, leads to another thing. 7.5. So we gotta now extend this, put a spacer behind the return spring to make it all work. But you know, it's just what we do. What did you tell me before? We're fitters, we gotta make it fit. It's in our title to make it fit. You heard it here first. Got load on it at the moment, I think. No releasing it. So if you're at home and you're trying to fit a 73 litre Michelman fridge in a 120 plus Clearview slide, don't. It's really difficult. We're going to get it because we're determined, but it is really difficult. So don't try this at home. Just to take up that void. That's now, let's see what happens. Touch wood, after a bit of modification up here, a bit of modification here, and another hole re-drill here, it looks like we've got it all working. We're just working on getting our spring tension right for the return, for this to lock back in, and then we should be good. So I've just come over to check out the cargo shelf. So we've got some batteries that'll go up here, and then the rest is all storage for Shawno up the top in his canopy. So the guy's just been, Brendo here has just been carpeting it. It's looking really good. So he's done a really killer job of getting this all carpeted out. There's some really weird shapes and angles going on that he had to deal with, but it looks really good. So can't wait to get this thing all bolted up. Plan's really similar to how the old Land Cruisers actually used to secure their batteries in. So with just a clamp on the corner and it, with the J-bolts going back down on an angle. So that should, we just tested it, made sure it all fitted, and that will work really nicely to hold those batteries really securely in place. A little bit up here. Hey guys, thanks for watching our mini-series. Please like, subscribe and comment, and we hope to catch you on the next one.
Remember guys, turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any new content that we're going to be putting out really soon. See you then.
Thank you.